Part of living with a parrot is realizing that bites are going to happen. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. This is Furby's favorite Elmo toy. Today he wanted me to play with it and him. You can see here, I'm pushing my luck. And here it comes. Furby knows how much pressure he can use with me and not hurt me. Sometimes he draws blood on accident, but not today. Our reaction to their bites sets the tone for their future interactions with us. If we yell and squeal and make a big deal and jump around because they bit us, that's funny to them, and they're going to do it more.